With the two-dose Moderna and Pfizer vaccine and now a booster shot being pushed by health officials, many of you have questions like, well, what happens if I don't get my second dose? You said I'm fully vaccinated with 2 doses, but now I need another? Am I fully vaccinated or not? Well, I went to a medical expert to get those questions answered for you. Take a look.
The question is, if I were to get my first vaccine dose and then I missed my appointment for my second one for some reason, I waited too long, do I have to start my process all over again and start from scratch with the vaccine process?
No, that's actually a good question, and a number of people ask that. The second dose does boost the response that the body has, creating more antibodies and more protection. So we do know that the 2-dose series is much more effective than just having a single dose of the Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine. That timing has been shown to not be quite so critical. So in other words, if you miss that second dose, don't hesitate. You're still going to get additive protection. So there's no risk to doing that. There's no downside. And if you've received one but haven't completed the series, we certainly encourage people to get that second dose as quickly as they can.
So now that there's a booster shot, people are wondering, well, okay, I got 2 vaccine doses, or if I got Johnson & Johnson, I got just one, but does that mean I'm not fully vaccinated?
We still consider people who had either the 2 doses of Pfizer and Moderna or 1 dose of Johnson & Johnson to be fully vaccinated. But we've learned with a lot of other vaccines that protection can decrease over time. So if you think about other vaccines, we use the flu vaccine every year. And so that protection doesn't last forever. We realize that really excellent initial protection is still good down the road a few months. It's particularly good for preventing hospitalizations, but it is less than it was initially. So the science suggests that booster shot can get back up to the same level of protection, that 90–95% protection that we initially saw after the first vaccination series.
Well, as we've reported, COVID cases, particularly in the southern tier, are on the rise. But here in the southern tier, we're also seeing some of the lowest vaccination rates in the state. Dr. Scalzone is encouraging everyone who hasn't gotten their shot to get vaccinated, as well as doing what you can to stay safe, even simple things like washing your hands, especially as we inch closer to flu season. In the studio, I'm Chelsea Lavelle, AT News.